Yes, this video demonstrates how easy it is to use our subtotal tool in QuickBooks. You will need to have the QuickBooks desktop for Windows installed, the US edition, and you should have the contractor flavor installed, and that would either be for QuickBooks Premier Enterprises where you would get that. And this is a one-time event. Once you save this report, this report template, then you can go ahead and use it in the future as many times as needed. So I will switch to QuickBooks, and you'll go to the Memorize Report list, and lower left corner you're going to create a brand new group, and you'll type in the group here in this box, and you'll call it subtotals by qsavings.biz. Next step is to import the template. That's after you download it from our secure server. You will import it, and you'll save it in the report group that we just created. And I just named it My Subtotal. Click OK. You'll see it sitting here. Double click it. There will be a lot of extra columns that you don't need in this, but that's okay. You can ignore it for now. After you run our software, you'll get a nice and neat report just as you're expecting. And this is what it looks like when you're done. So you'll see subtotals in here by vendor, and it's underneath each customer job. So this is a much more useful report than what comes out of QuickBooks, and all it's taking is the unpaid bills by job report from QuickBooks and adding subtotals by vendor. I hope this helps. Thank you.